Inspired by a classic Honda model, this sleek scooter features no pedals and is designed for city living. It effortlessly folds into a compact suitcase shape, fitting snugly into various storage spaces, be it your vehicle, public transport, or tight corners. It offers an emission-free ride with a top speed of 15 miles per hour and a range of 12 miles on a single charge. Its blank side canvas can be personalized with stickers, decals, or turned into a mobile billboard for your business. Even the kickstand is compatible with most bike locks. The price is $1,000. These smart sunglasses are designed to provide athletes with real-time sports performance data and maps. Unlike smartwatches, which require a glance at the wrist, these sunglasses aim to present information directly in the line of sight. With a 1-second refresh rate, you can track your stats without distractions, and it syncs with any sports app on your smartphone. They feature photochromic lenses that adapt to light conditions without manual changes. The company also offers custom prescription insert frames with an anti-fog design. The price is around $700. Robotics enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting this upcoming product on Kickstarter. This kit empowers users to construct over 7 distinct robots, each boasting advanced capabilities. One of its cool features is its ability to follow your voice and move towards you. Plus, you can control it like you're inside with a first-person perspective via the app. It even seamlessly integrates with ChatGPT, so you can ask it to do pretty much anything. It is also super modular. You can swap sensors and cameras to create new experiences, such as immersive first-person view driving to engaging obstacle games. The price is $369. These electric roll walks stand out for their top-notch portability, offering enhanced mobility and flexibility. The key is their lightweight design, easily attaching to regular shoes and fitting neatly into a backpack. Riders can choose from various modes, including a beginner-friendly option and a high-speed turbo mode for thrill seekers. Powered by a 300-watt motor per skate, they deliver a top speed of 20 miles per hour. The battery boasts an estimated range of 11.2 miles per charge, with a quick 1-hour recharge time. All this urban fun can be yours for just $600. This invention promises to increase your productivity by up to 40%, simply by expanding the size of your workspace. These are the world's first portable monitors that instantly attach to your laptop. The snap bracket securely fastens to your laptop screen with a tensioning design. No magnets or adhesives needed. Once you hear the satisfying snap sound, your monitors are locked in place and ready for use. You can rotate the screen horizontally or vertically. Connect 2 monitors at once using USB-C or USB-A. This powerful tool, priced at around $720, promises to revolutionize your work setup. Your helmet can be more than just protection, and the Aura Smart Helmet is proof of that. Integrated lights with 500+ lumens ensure visibility from all directions. It lets you signal your intentions with turn signals and brake lights, making your presence on the road predictable. It can even detect a hard crash and send an SOS text with your location to your emergency contact if you're unresponsive. At just 13 ounces, it barely even feels like you're wearing a helmet. It also adapts to any riding style with interchangeable magnetic visors for urban, e-bike and road use. It retails for $300. This groundbreaking tracker, the size of a card, syncs seamlessly with Apple's Find My network on iPhones, iPads, MacBooks and Apple Watches. Emitting a robust Bluetooth signal, it locates nearby Apple devices, sharing their locations with iCloud. The Find My app then guides you to track it on a map. In case your wallet equipped with the AirCard goes missing, you can activate the advanced lost mode on their special platform. If found, the QR code on the AirCard allows others to read your message and contact you. All this innovation comes at a price of $39. Imagine a world where your favorite coffee maker goes wherever you go. This innovative coffee buddy, designed with simplicity in mind, only requires the upper brewing assembly to turn almost any vessel into a coffee haven, be it a pot, a cup, or the included thermal travel mug. JavaStar extracts the finest aspects from diverse brewing techniques, bidding farewell to their constraints, all in the pursuit of crafting rich and flavorful coffee. Its battery lets you brew up to 45 cycles of amazing coffee at the touch of a button before it needs to be recharged. It's priced at around $200. ShaperTrace is a mobile tool that turns your drawings into vector graphics with ease. It uses your phone's camera from various angles to capture your drawing without distortion. With the Trace Frame and Trace app, you can convert your sketch into a scalable vector graphic file format, which is compatible with laser cutters, vinyl cutters, and CNC machines. What's unique is Trace's ability to find your drawings centerline for optimal results, replacing the need for costly scanning equipment and complex software. It preserves your drawing scale and saves time. You can get it for the price of $99. This pressure washer is super convenient. You can use it anywhere because it doesn't need a faucet. Just grab some water from a bucket, pool, or a river nearby. It's got a battery-powered pump, which means it sprays water really well at 290 psi and 200 liters per hour. Plus, it lasts up to 45 minutes on a single charge, and you can recharge it with a USB-C cable. Another cool trick is that it can also charge your devices like a power bank. No need to switch nozzles either, thanks to its 5-in-1 nozzle design. It even has a foam mode for soapy cleaning. Beekeeping is a delightful and fulfilling endeavor, and engaging in this practice allows you to positively impact your surroundings. Whether you're a seasoned apiarist or a complete beginner, Hex Hives introduces a fully 3D printable hive, making beekeeping accessible for everyone. Designed to combat the bee crisis, Hex Hives utilizes 3D printing to support nature. It revolutionizes apiculture with an innovative, easy-to-use design that caters to beekeepers of all levels. It is both affordable and hassle-free. The hexagonal shape mimics the natural bee habitat, ensures the well-being of your bees. This next company claims to have built the world's mightiest water gun. This high-tech wonder transforms water battles with 3 modes: Open for casual play, Burst for rapid fire, and League for competitive showdowns. A full tank fires 22 precise water shots, not streams. Reloading takes just 10 seconds. Dip the front and it refills. The tactical display shows tank, battery, and shots. The Spyro III provides exceptional accuracy, hitting targets up to 10 meters away, extending to 15 meters in League mode's power shot. Whether rapid fire or precise shots, it adapts to your style. Rest assured, its shots are powerful yet non-painful for uninterrupted fun. All this excitement comes with a price tag of $180.